What is defensive driving? Defensive driving is a set of safe responses to potential hazards, including other drivers, damaged road surfaces, debris, inclement weather, and more. Getting behind the wheel isn't risk-free, and employing defensive driving techniques can help keep you and other drivers safe. The importance of defensive driving is to remember that you and the other road users around you are only human, and humans make mistakes. A defensive driver does not just concentrate on his or her own actions, but anticipates the likely actions of other road users. Defensive driving techniques reduce the likelihood of a collision or incident and can even save costs related to vehicle maintenance and fuel consumption by driving smoothly and steadily. Awareness is key to defensive driving, ensuring you are aware of potential hazards and other road users' actions around you, enabling you to take proactive action to avoid an incident. Aim to always scan your mirrors and look beyond the vehicle in front, as this will help you to be aware of possible hazards before it is too late. Don't trust those around you to make good decisions. Give yourself and drivers around you plenty of time and space. This means keeping a 3-second gap when following another vehicle. Don't tailgate other vehicles, as this will remove the opportunity for ample time and space to react to any sudden changes, making it more likely to endanger yourself and those around you. Many collisions can be avoided. For example, imagine the situation where another vehicle has run into the rear of your car. It is likely this could have been avoided had you left more space between you and the vehicle in front. This type of defensive driving technique may have given you the option to move forward or pull out of the way entirely, avoiding the speeding car. It is also important to help drivers be aware of your intentions, by signaling early and clearly, and minimize lane changes if it is safe to do so. Expect the unexpected. Always assume that something can and will go wrong when you're driving. As such, never be too relaxed, and always be on the lookout for a curveball that could be thrown your way. Be aware of other drivers' actions. A key aspect of defensive driving is being aware of the actions of other drivers. By planning ahead according to what they might do, you will have the foresight as to how to avoid an accident. Respect other drivers. Try not to be impatient with other drivers and avoid road rage at all costs. If you're too aggressive, an accident could be waiting around the corner. Avoid distractions and be alert. It goes without saying that a good defensive driver is also on top of their own driving skills. As such, make sure you're not distracted on the road by your cell phone or the radio. Drive slowly in bad weather conditions. When conditions on the road are compromised due to bad weather, it is essential that you take the care to drive more cautiously than usual. Slow down considerably in rainy or very windy weather and be on the lookout for mishaps from other drivers. Obey all the rules and signs of the road. That is why it is there. The key importance of traffic rules and signs is for maintaining safety. There are many obstacles and dangers on the road that can cause harm and put drivers at risk. Traffic rules and safety signs help to mitigate this risk and reduce the possibilities of accidents happening. And most important, wear your seatbelts, and make sure everyone in vehicle is buckled up. Defensive driving can take some time to get used to. And breaking bad driving habits can be hard to do. Learning defensive driving isn't so much about improving your own driving skills, it's about learning how to avoid other drivers doing dangerous things on the road. To get started, you may have to remind yourself about defensive driving techniques, but once it becomes second nature, you have become a defensive driver. Thank you for watching, and stay safe and be alert.